Today I'm going to be showing you how to start a Google Meet. So I'm going to be going to meet.google.com. Then all you got to do is click New Meeting. Then you can either create a meeting for later. If you go there, and it says here's a link to a meeting. And you can copy this link to send it to people. Then when you're ready to join the meeting, you just paste the link. Or you could start an instant meeting or schedule it in Google Calendar. And if you schedule it in Google Calendar, you gotta pick where you put it. See, you can add title, locate, and the date and location. So yeah, but I want to start an instant meeting. Okay. So look, I started an instant meeting, and you can just copy this link or add others over here. So yeah, all you gotta do, that's all you gotta do. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.